Welcome, dear students. I am Sri Samuel. Let us continue class 7th computer chapter 1st more peripherals. Dear students, in previous video we learned about peripheral devices, biometric devices, optical mark reader and magnetic ink character reader. Dear students, in this video we will learn about the rest of topics. Magnetic strip card. On magnetic strip card, the data is permanently stored on a magnetic strip. It contains name and signature or any other details for added security. ATM cards, Visa, MasterCard, library cards are some of these types of cards. Means in this card the data is stored permanently on a magnetic strip. It contains name and signature or any other details for security purpose. Example of this card: ATM cards, library cards, etc. Magnetic strip card reader. To read data from a magnetic strip card, the card is swiped through a magnetic strip card reader. Means the device that is used to read data from a magnetic strip card is known as magnetic strip card reader. Smart card. Smart cards are intelligent cards which have inbuilt electronic and memory storage RAM chip. Lots of data like name, address, blood group type, etc. can be stored and updated on the RAM chip. ATM cards, Visa, MasterCard, Army canteen cards are some of these types of cards. Means smart cards is just like a magnetic strip card, but it has inbuilt electronic and memory storage that contains random access memory chip. We can store and update lots of data like name, address, blood group, etc. on this card. Example: ATM cards. They may be Visa, MasterCard, Army canteen cards, etc. Smart card reader. A smart card reader is used to read and update data from a smart card. Means the device that is used to read and update data from a smart card is known as smart card reader. Radio frequency identification RFID. Radio frequency identification is an ID system that uses a small radio frequency identification device RFID tag for identification and tracking purposes. An RFID tag is a small object such as an adhesive sticker that can be attached to a product. For example, computer equipment, books, mobile phone, etc. Means this is an ID system that uses a small radio frequency identification device, that is RFID tag. It is used for identification and tracking purposes to any object. For example, computer equipment, books, mobile phone, etc. Next, liquid crystal display projectors. LCD projectors are used when output is required on a big screen. Instead of a monitor, the output is projected on the big white screen through the LCD projector. LCD projectors are used in corporate presentations, multimedia educational programs, etc., which are presented to a large audience. Means LCD projectors are used when we need to display output in big screen. It is also used in corporate presentations, multimedia educational programs, etc. In this system, LCD projectors are used with computer. It shows the output on big screen. Next, voice recognition system. The voice recognition system allows a user to use his or her voice as input. A voice recognition system is used to give commands to the computer such as opening a program, pulling down menus, or saving work, or to dictate text into the computer. A microphone is used to dictate the speech term in a voice recognition systems. Means this system allows a user to use his or her voice as input. In this system, we can use microphone to dictate the speech. It is also used to give commands to the computer such as opening a program, pulling down menus, or saving work. We can also dictate text into the computer with the help of this system. At last, dear students, there are some solved question answers for you. You have to write down these questions and answers in your notebook very clearly. Thank you, children.